Buongiorno, my name is Maurizio Paparo. I'm the owner of the Excelsior and Ristorante Italiano. Today we're going to make a great staple dish from Italy, frittata. The only thing you need to know about frittata is that you're going to need a pan that can go in the oven and it doesn't stick. The ingredients are very simple. We have eggs, we have onions, we have potatoes, we have sausage, roasted peppers, and Parmesan cheese. We're doing this video in conjunction with the Dantan Athletic Club. The reason of that is I'm going to fatten you up and they're going to trim you down. So you have to be careful here because I can only put on only 1 pound at a time. Otherwise they're going to yell at me at the Dantan Athletic Club. So you go to on the video, they have great classes that they all set up for you, either Instagram or Facebook. I'm going to do the food part of it. You have to eat, enjoy yourself. Don't tell that I told you that, but go ahead and work out. So we'll start this and it should take only a few minutes. So I'm taking the eggs and I'm whipping it, making it really nice and fluffy. Turn the stove on. Like I said, you have to make sure that this is doesn't stick. So I'm going to use a little bit of pan release. So we are whipping the eggs really good. Now one thing is important is to keep the heat low. Eggs don't like high heat because otherwise they will scorch and burn on the bottom. Once we put all the ingredients into the mixing bowl, I will add the potatoes, I will add the onions, I will add the sausage, the pepper, the Parmesan cheese, a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we'll wait until the edge of the pan moves away from the edge. So I will show you in a minute, but it will take probably 4 or 5 minutes. After that, I already preheated the oven at 325 degrees. We're going to put the pan in the oven for approximately 15 minutes. After that, we'll open the oven, we'll touch the center, make sure that it's not too hard, but not too soft, otherwise the egg's still running. And then when that point is reached, approximately 15-20 minutes, we'll turn the oven off and we'll let just rest in the pan. Then we'll flip them over on a cutting board so you can enjoy it either for breakfast. I eat it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner because it's delicious, and really it doesn't take that much time to make these frittatas. You can use different ingredients as you wish. You can omit the sausage and make it vegetarian with onions, peppers, olives, Parmesan cheese, or in this case I'm a little spoiled because I have the homemade sausage from the Excelsior restaurant, which we make everything there from scratch. So when this is all over, please make sure that you come to the Excelsior. Keep working out at the Dantan Athletic Club. Like I said, great trainers over there. Ellen does some incredible classes. So check it out at the Dantan Athletic Club either Facebook or Instagram, or check out the Excelsiorian website at excelsiorian.com. Buon appetito. So now I'm incorporating all the ingredients. I start out with onions, small chopped, potato, very thinly sliced, otherwise they're not going to cook. Beautiful homemade sausage, roasted peppers, and Parmigiano Reggiano. Get a pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt, few sprinkles of rosemary. Now we're going to pour this into the pan. to make sure the ingredients are nice and spread into the pan. With a little spatula, we're just going to be gently moving all the ingredients all around the pan. They will cook evenly. 4 or 5 minutes before we'll probably put this into the oven at that point. Checking it to make sure that it's still, you can see, a little bit wobbly on the edge, so not quite ready to go in the oven. We'll wait another minute or so, and then we will put them in the oven. You can see right here it's still a little bit too soft as well. So you can start seeing now it's getting a little bit more firm on the sides, and within 1-2 minutes we're ready to put them in the oven. And then for 15 minutes or so you can just start making your festa mimosa of the morning, because right now you can do mimosa. You don't have a place to go to work. Typically you can't do mimosa on a Monday and a Tuesday. Now you can do mimosa every day of the week. Okay, I think now we're ready to go into the oven. You can see it's nice and formed on the edge. This pan is ready to go in the oven because it has a metal handle. Don't burn yourself, don't burn the pan. If you don't have the right pan, make sure you get the right pan. That smells delicious. Now so now we're going to check and make sure that it's perfectly cooked. Then we will assess the situation and turn off the oven. So remember, every oven is different. Some people will have an electric oven, gas oven. So anywhere between 8 to 15 minutes is your range, but you want to check it yourself, just because I said every oven is regulated differently. Let's come and check. Oh, it's coming out beautifully. Oh, it's, you see, it's not, it's just a little bit soft in the center. It moves around really well. So we're going to go ahead and finish it, put them in the oven, turn off the oven, and wait 5-6 minutes before we're going to be able to serve it. So now the frittata is ready, extremely hot. We had a really good oven mitten. Now we're going to remove it from the pan, which is not always the easiest things to do. So I just use a nice big cutting board. Remember, that's very hot, so be very careful with it. Ready? Then we're going to use another cutting board. And voila! And that's the frittata. Like I said, it's delicious. It's easy to use it for breakfast, for lunch or dinner. Once you cool it off, you can make sandwich with it. So buon appetito. Until the next time, remember, you can see this on Facebook and Instagram and the Downtown Athletic Club. Ciao.